Hi, thanks for watching this Amherst alarm educational video. My name is Alex. Today we are going to be learning how to change the batteries in the DSC WT5500 panel. Let's get started. This is the DSC WT5500 panel. What you want to make sure that you're going to do is give your monitoring response center a call before changing the batteries. When you pop these off the bracket, there's a tamper switch that will send an alarm to the monitoring response center. This keypad has 4 AA batteries in it, 4 Energizer AA batteries in it that you will need to replace. What you're going to want to do is grab onto the keypad, and it is going to just slide up off the bracket that it's on. Grab on and you slide it up off the bracket. When you do so, the keypad may beep. When it does that, all you have to do is press the pound sign on the keypad, and that will stop it from beeping. Once you've flipped the keypad over, you will notice the 4 batteries that are inside of it. All you have to do is recognize where the batteries are, pop out the old ones. Once you have the old batteries out, you're going to take your new batteries and you're going to look at the pictures as to where the batteries are going to be placed. You're going to pop the batteries back in. You're going to center the keypad back up against the bracket and just slide it back down onto the bracket. Once the keypad's back on the bracket, you're going to see the yellow triangle, which is your trouble light, disappear from the keypad. At that point, you should have a green ready light, and then you will be all set. Please see our Amherst Alarm video library for other help, and we hope that this video was helpful for you.